This is a light and creamy cheesecake topped with sweet strawberry sauce topping. It's undoubtedly the best cheesecake you'll ever have. Make the crust by adding graham crackers to a bowl with sugar and melted butter. Give that a good mix until it looks like wet sand. Add that to a spring-form pan that's lined with foil. And then you're going to press it into the bottom and up the sides tightly. And then bake it for 10 minutes at 350. In the bowl of a stand mixer, add cream cheese and beat that until light and creamy. Add sugar and sour cream. And then mix that until it's well combined. Add vanilla and salt, and then you're going to mix that until it's well combined. Add in lightly beaten eggs, and then fold that with a silicone spatula. Don't do this with your mixer, it will add too much air and your cheesecake will crack. Pour the batter over the prepared crust. Place your cheesecake into a roasting pan. I like to use these silicone sleeves to prevent water from leaking in. Then you're going to add hot water and bake the cheesecake at 300 degrees for 1 hour. Let it cool in the oven for 1 hour, and then let it cool at room temperature on a wire rack, and then refrigerate it overnight. Add strawberries to a blender or a food processor. Add cornstarch, and then blend that until smooth. Transfer the puree to a saucepan. Add sugar and cook this until it's slightly thickened. Add vanilla, salt, and more strawberries. And then mix this together, and you're going to pour it over your cheesecake, or you can pour it over individual slices, whichever you prefer. This cheesecake is light, creamy, it's so decadent, and the strawberry topping makes it perfect for summer. I do hope you enjoy. You can get the full recipe on bakedbyinintrovert.com.